Today's show had a lot of examples of creative ways people are dealing with life's challenges, from making a very unique DIY COVID costume to getting crafty in the kitchen. It's been proven through research that being more creative is useful for our mental and our physical well-being. Tapping into your creativity actually has tremendous benefits for your health, like reducing stress, anxiety, and depression. It's as simple as picking up a pen or a pencil and drawing something, or grabbing one of your kids' coloring books and allowing your imagination to just run free. Doing a craft like sewing a costume has been shown to help focus the mind and help keep the body calm. Now is a great time to explore your creativity to help take some of the daily stresses of life down a notch or so. I can't wait to see more stories from what you've created during this time. And for anything you've missed on our show, just visit thedoctorstv.com.